more things in the Corvette. We just did the Lucky Garage shifter bushings, full aluminum. The old ones that I had in here were super bad, to the point where when this was going side to side, this whole metal plate was shifting, and then it was causing me second gear to pop out and whatnot. So if you have second gear issues popping out, or any gear that does not want to go in and grind, this would probably be a good way to look to see if this is your issue. If not, your shifter just might be misaligned. So for installing the Lucky Garage shifter bushings, all you got to do is take these 3 bolts out. T40 is the tool for the job, and then from there you just push this all the way forward, lift it up, out. Comes out super easy, not hard at all, not unless if you're mechanically declined. Other than that, when you install it, you just got to make sure these bottom parts do not fall in this tunnel, or you will not have a good time trying to retrieve them. But once you get it in, put the washers, put them on loose, which I've already torqued mine on all of them. And for all 3 of these, I did 30 foot-pounds. And people they go lower on this, but 30 with the high mileage I have, especially on my Corvette that I'm currently digging all into. Other than that, once you get them loosely put in, you push this pin down, which will lock it in neutral, so you can't go into any gear. From there, you torque the side 2s to 30 first, and once that's good, you have to make sure this is in the groove of the shifter. Put that in, torque it to 30, and then you're all good to testing.